My name is Anika Havlik, and I'm a member of Scappoose High School's class of 2021. This summer, I was part of an 8-week pilot internship coordinated by Columbia Works at Oregon Manufacturing Innovation Center R&D, better known as OMIC. OMIC is a collaboration of industry and academic partners that work to solve metals manufacturing problems through applied research. After applying and interviewing, I was hired as a virtual reality programming intern. There was also a robotics and a videography group, and there were 9 interns in total. In the beginning, we worked on smaller projects to learn the program Unity, a game development software. It was then that I learned the fundamentals of programming for the first time. I started the internship with probably the least experience out of my group, so I had to ask a lot of questions and really buckle down to learn the skills that were needed of me. It was also my first time ever in an Oculus VR headset. Our main project was to design and build a virtual reality tour of the OMIC building. Each of the programming interns worked on individual parts of the project. This included writing code, animating, 3D modeling objects, and compiling all of those components into one build. I focused on the audio of the project. I worked with the executive director to write and record audio clips to capture the mission of OMIC. I then wrote a program to play the clips when the person in the VR headset arrives at different checkpoints on the tour. I also 3D modeled different machines. Under the guidance of our mentor, we created an incredible final product.
OMIC is a collaboration of 40 industry and 3 academic partners. Welcome to the OMIC R&D High Bay. You'll notice that our high bay floor is very clean and very high-tech. That's because we want this place to be inspiring to those who come to see it. This is the Doosan Puma. It's a 5-axis lathe that has 2 spindles. This area is dedicated to inspection. In addition to our manual equipment, we have a lot of CNC machines. These are machines that are computer programmed. This is a barrel of metal shavings. You definitely do not want to stick your hand in there.
I believe the internship as a whole was so successful because each group had a mentor who was there to oversee the interns. All of the mentors were experts in their field. Ours was a great teacher, and he told us stories about how his own career developed. He also emphasized the opportunities in software development and STEM, that employers are seeking people with the skills that we learned. I also learned about the R&D process that happens at OMIC. I toured the facility and studied the machines they operate, as well as the precision measurement tools they use to gather data. Metals manufacturing was not a field that was on my radar at all, but now I know that it is essential to nearly every industry. Additionally, we all participated in a weekly career-oriented presentation, such as a financial planning workshop from our local credit union. We also got to see presentations by Oregon Tech students who had conducted their own research projects over the summer, my favorite being the improvement of a surgical clamp. Overall, the exposure to the workforce was invaluable. I learned professionalism and communication skills while collaborating with a diverse group of individuals to plan and execute our project and solve problems along the way. Connections I gained in this internship helped me get another job and also strengthened my college applications, ultimately helping me get into my dream school. I'm grateful for this opportunity and everything that has come from it. As someone who has always had a full academic schedule and year-round sports, I never would have learned these skills otherwise. I am more confident in my ability to adapt, and I am better prepared to go to college and enter the workforce. My hope is that many more students my age will be able to have a similar opportunity.